Well, darn it, our 1 pound chair blew off the deck and is now in the water. So we have the grappling hook attached to the magnet. We're gonna see if we can fish it out of here. But it's proven to be not very easy. Good luck. Hopefully we can get that. Well, these gentlemen were kind enough to take our rope on that side of the boat ramp and pull it out.
Something.
Hey, you caught something. Heck yeah, man. Appreciate y'all.
Thank you.
Thank you very, very much. I guess I'm just gonna chalk the chair up.
Yeah,
I'll chalk the chair up as a loss. We can get another one on Temu for like 15 bucks.
Yes, sir.
All right, y'all have a good day.
You too.
What do you get?
We got some square looking thingy
And a bottle cap.
Bud Light. Lime.
Nice.
Whatever that thing is.
I don't know.
Now they're going to see if he can use his depth finder and come along over here, right where the chair went in the water. He says he can see it if it's down there. He might be able to fetch it. You gotta love the good people out here on the fishing docks. Apparently he can see it. In with the hook. I'm gonna crap my pants if he pulls that chair out.
Chair's right there. I saw it on the depth finder. Did you? Yeah, I'm trying to get it. Can't reach it. Water's pushing in here.
Now he's using our grappling hook. He saw it on the depth finder. Not quite.
I got it. I got something.
There it is. Holy crap, my man! That is a great success. What's your name, sir?
Josh.
Josh. I think we've met you out here before.
Yeah, we met one time before.
Yes, dude. You're a savior.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Y'all have a good afternoon.
All right. Well, I'll be damned. Yay! I can't believe he found it.
Can
That
we
was-
get back to magnets now?
Yes. Unless you want to keep that grappling hook and get stuck on the boat ramp again.
Yeah.
That was terrible. What a helpful group of people
Yeah.
that was.
Southern hospitality.
Chris, you on to something or what?